Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete Google AI Studio files from your Google Drive in order to free up more storage space on your Google account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Drive. After you open up your Google Drive, then it's going to take you to the page right here. So what you need to do right there is to make sure you locate where you have some of the file you have been working with in your Google AI Studio, and then see how you can easily delete them. For instance, if I want to delete this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. This is going to pump up. Then I will scroll down right here. I will go ahead and make sure I click on move to trash. Now move to trash. After you have successfully moved it to trash, next thing you want to do is to still locate the file from your trash. You can as well delete as many as possible Google AI Studio file right here. So I have another one right here because some of these files here, they are no longer useful again, except if you want to go back to the workflow in your Google AI Studio. So I'm going to move this to trash also. Now for a permanently deletion of everything, next thing you want to do is to make sure we click on this slider right here. Then we go ahead and click on trash. Now we have everything in our trash bin right here. We click on hold down. Then go ahead and make sure we select all we have in our trash bin. Then go ahead and click on this particular icon right here to trash them all permanently. Delete forever. Go ahead and click on delete, and everything will be deleted permanently. You can go on and on to do all these things in order to free up more storage space in your Google Drive. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.